We purchased this property 12 months ago, and from the day that we moved in, the kitchen that was originally here, loved the size of it. It was just very outdated. It was 17 years old. It was that brown wood stain, just awful outdated colour. So we needed a complete new kitchen. There was just no save in the original kitchen. When the designer turned up, the consultant turned up to the property, we wanted to get very similar to what we've been working on with our current renovation. We're going for that warehouse, blacks, timbers, and I just wanted that incorporated into the kitchen. So I've told the consultant that, and we wanted to keep the size of the kitchen that we currently had and just add a couple of more cupboards. I was very basic with what I told the consultant, so she came in here and she was amazing and gave some fantastic ideas. We've been through quite a few showrooms of kitchen places, and we went into the Helensvale kitchen showroom, and just the way how they had it set up, they had different designs of kitchens, and one of the kitchens that they did have there stood out to me, and we took a lot of ideas from that kitchen, incorporated it with some of our own ideas, and we ended up getting our beautiful kitchen in the end. My husband and I actually done the removal ourselves. As I said, we're in the process of doing a renovation here, so we wanted to take out the kitchen ourselves, fix up the plasterboard, do the tiling in the kitchen, and have that all ready and presented for when the installation took place. And it made it easier for the installer to do it as well. And he'd done a fantastic job. He was in and out within a day, and we had no complications whatsoever. Oh, we were so happy with the end. The result in the end was better than what we anticipated, than what I visioned, and when you walked into it, it was just like, it's just wow. Everyone that comes into our house, it's the wow factor of our house, and that's what we wanted. We liked everything from the consultation, through the communication, through the whole process, going into the showroom and looking at colours and changing our mind numerous times. The consultants, the showroom staff, the installer, everyone was just very professional, and we just like dealing with a company like that. I love bringing friends and family into our home. We love entertaining, but I'm always in the kitchen when I'm entertaining. So now that I've got that space in my kitchen to have my friends and family sit in my kitchen, it's just fantastic. Everyone it's very homely. You feel like you're part of the furniture sort of thing when you're in my kitchen. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. We had no problems whatsoever from start to finish. Even now still I get the emails, the follow-up emails of how is everything going. But just the quality, the craftsmanship, just everything, the budget, it's just been a fantastic experience. So I've got no hesitation in recommending Kitchen Connection.